The third pillar after analyzing and investing is tracking your portfolio. Introducing portfolio on Tickertape. Now you can sync the holdings from your broking account to your Tickertape account and be on top of your portfolio. Head over to the portfolio page on Tickertape by clicking this icon on the top bar. Before holdings can be synced, we will ask you for your consent to fetch the holdings. Once you give the consent, we'll populate your holdings data. The top items show your invested amount, current net worth, and the P&L across all your holdings. You can see more details about the invested stocks like average buy price, invested amount, and portfolio weight in each row. If you want to square off, you can click on Sell All in the Options menu, and the order pop-up will be pre-populated with your held quantity. If you have invested in small cases, you can see them by going to the small cases section. Each row will give you more details about the invested amount, the current value of the small case, and the portfolio weight that it represents in your entire portfolio. Clicking on the thumbnail will take you to the small case page on your broker's platform. To see the orders placed through Tickertape, head over to the Orders tab. We've grouped the orders by tickers so that it's easy for you to see the history at one go. These entries are sorted latest first, that is, the stocks with most recent orders will come on top. Let's place a quick order and see how this view is updated. We placed a Biocon order and it got updated here. You can also filter your orders by date or by selecting a particular stock. With Screener, detail pages, transactions, and portfolio, now you can analyze, transact, and track all within Tickertape.